So Lava is known for some great made in India smartphones and have launched their first wearable product, a smartwatch that you can see I'm wearing. It has launched two new smartwatches, Lava Pro Watch ZN and Lava Pro Watch VN. And out of the two, we have the Pro Watch ZN, and yes, it's a premium offering. So let's quickly review this new kit on the block. And first, a quick run through the specs of the Lava Pro Watch ZN. So like you can see, the Pro Watch ZN features a 1.43-inch round display, curved AMOLED always-on display, a high-accuracy PPG sensor for heart rate and SpO2 monitoring, and a corrosion-free metallic dial with a silicon strap. The Pro Watch ZN comes with a Realtek chipset inside. It has 350 mAh battery and supports Bluetooth calling when paired with the phone. It also has over 110 sports modes, built-in games and real-time weather updates, and robust IP68 rating for protection from accidental splashes and dust. So first impression one gets from the Pro Watch ZN is that this is a much more expensive watch, and yes, first impression is such the last impression. But what is beyond the first impression? Let's dive deeper. Let's talk about the design. The Smartwatch Pro is a great looking smartwatch, and at the first go you will be impressed by it. It features a fairly decent design and build quality, and it's quite sturdy too. In fact, the build quality is the USP here, and that's the reason the tagline reads Tough Hair Pro. Large and round dial is pretty impressive when most of the watches that you see these days are square watches. The round dial is a welcome sight. Watch is sure too big. The size is always amplified by two colors crowns, both placed on the right. The bezel around the round screen are quite thick, although in this price range it is unreasonable to expect anything different. And yes, the weight felt quite lightweight on my wrist, considering that it features a large 1.43-inch round display. I do not feel that it compromises on durability. So halka और पतला यानी खराब quality is not the case here. ऐसा हमेशा नहीं होता. And I wore this 24/7 and it withstood daily wear and tear without any scratches on the dial. Even after 10 days, it remains shiny and without any apparent blemishes or fine scratches. That means yes, actually Tough Hair Pro. The watch comes with interchangeable straps. However, my review unit came with silicon strap, and these silicon straps were quite lightweight and comfortable and didn't cause me any irritation even after prolonged used outdoors. In the dusty weather, in sweaty conditions, it was all comfortable to wear. Talking about the features and performance, the setup will just switch on, scan a barcode and start with the app download. Well, the major disappointment is that the watch app does not support iOS, which I think the company should work on. The AMOLED display though is quite vibrant, smooth and bright even under the direct sunlight. The screen of the watch is pretty shiny and bright. It is also large enough to show a lot of key details which the info nerds will love. I loved it too. Though to access features, the UI features is not very intuitive. Although there are two crowns, they only add to the confusion and one tends to press the crown by mistake. Well, I did press it by mistake quite many times. But then features offered by the Pro Watch ZN ensure that you will find these very useful. The Pro Watch ZN has a decent amount of health and fitness features also, including heart rate tracking, SpO2 sleep monitoring, and various outdoor activities like running and cycling. We did tell you about the modes. The accuracy for the same is quite good. So the ZN in this area does a decent job, and one feature that a lot of users are interested in is the Bluetooth calling. Yes, when paired with a phone, the Pro Watch ZN allows users to receive calls on it. During calls, I noticed that the watch speaker and microphone does a pretty good job. Very long battery life. Battery life of this watch is just way too good, and with Bluetooth calling enabled, the always-on display turned on, and the usage of various health and fitness features, this one lasted for almost 2 days. Yes, that's kind of battery it offers. And yes, most smartwatches struggle in this area and these days, and Lava just did the right thing. And how? Now comes the big question, is the Lava Pro Watch ZN worth buying or not? Definitely. Yes, there is a slight lag in UI and app interface. There wasn't much that I disliked about it, especially considering its price. Yes, so if you're looking for an affordable smartwatch, this one looks quite classy. Though it's a little macho and old-fashioned, never mind. It does track your health and fitness, offers a bright display, lasts for more than a day on a single charge. And well, tell you about the pricing. Lava Pro Watch ZN is priced at $2,599 and is definitely worth the buy worth the money.